It's Advken video time. Amazing RDA lightning bullet. It's a bullet shape style seat, and why it's calling lightning bullet? Because the air hole is lightning shape. There is 6 lightning air hole. Can you see it? It's so big. It's so nice to help you getting more vapor when you vaping. And see this logo, you can see it. It's amazing. And about the drip tip, it's regular 510, so you can use any drip tip what you want. About the pin, the bottom, it's brass and silver plated. And about the inside, it's 3 posts, and the middle one is so big to hold more coils for you. So you like it? It's amazing, right? And when you put the top inside it, so you can adjust the air hole whatever you want. And at the last, I want to show you how it vaping. Let me put it on our wooden box mod V3. It's an amazing box mod using 2 pieces 18650 battery. Okay, when I put it, it's big vaping, right? Like it? So contact Advken, Advken. Thank you guys. Bye bye.